Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2016 Dodge Journey. Stock number is A7765. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels wrapped with Goodyear Assurance tires. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. Second row and third row bench seating, so plenty of room for the family. Up top you have a cargo rack. Swinging around to the back end, you have dual point exhaust. And this Journey is all-wheel drive, so you won't be sliding all over the road on those wintry Wisconsin days. There's a 50-50 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, audio, Bluetooth and cruise controls, full stereo, dual climate control, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Dodge on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.